Good morning. It is the day after the day we celebrated Ellie Belly's birthday, and she's playing with her makeup kit already this morning. And she's getting her makeup ready so we can go eat breakfast at Nani's camper.
Don't lie, we're gonna eat cake.
We're gonna eat cake for breakfast.
Neither are you. Please stay in the beach. Please stay in the water. What? Please stay in the ocean. Me either. You either? I love this water. This water feels good. I love it more than you guys love it. Oh, okay. It's like very good. I love my dad.
Put him back in the water.
We're gonna keep that.
All right, the great white hunter has been at it again.
Oh, whatever. We're gonna let the fishies go. We're gonna let the fishies go, Ellie?
Yeah, I'll make it.
Let's not catch them all. Let's just tip the buckets and start dumping water.
Can you not dump the other things like the other animals?
Hey, buddy.
If you dump my toes, it's a problem. Come on, little fishy. I'm just trying to help you, though.
Goodbye, fishies.
Bye, buddies.
Look at my boys. They're chilling. You guys are tired, huh?
I'm gonna say, when you guys are at the bathhouse, that's be Daddy and me.
Yep. And you guys are gonna take a shower and get all cleaned up too, huh?
And then we're gonna eat some
Pizza. We don't have any more pizza, I don't think. I don't know, do we?
We'll find you.
What you doing, Tooties?
tanning.
Tanning? Tanning and eating chips? But we've got a nice, we moved campsites again. So we've got a nice little campsite. Our little Hazy Bazy. What you doing, Hazy? What you doing, Boofle girl? What you doing, Boofle girl? Chilling on the surfboard. She wants a chip. Poor daddy. So much boogie boarding. He's exhausted. We are going to go to Bass Pro with the parents, and then the parents are going to take the kids back with them to the camper, and us and Uncle Trevor and Sarah are going to go out on a double date.
A dibble
Double date.
What
I'm kind of excited. Yeah, I'm super excited. I haven't gotten to hang out with Sarah and Trevor without them. Well, we are home from the camping trip, and I am just now realizing, now that I am editing the last day of our camping trip, that we never closed the vlog. We went out to eat with my brother and his girlfriend, and we had fun, and we forgot to close the vlog. And I totally forgot to even tell you guys that we were home. But we're home. We had a great time. It was a lot of fun. It was so nice to get out and away from the house, and we had a blast. Catch you next time. Bye.